Try out these amazing stock market tips. There is a lot written on the subject of investing. Often people waste lots of time watching in-department videos about stock market investing and then feel even more confused about the subject. So, which investing basics do you need to focus on first? This video will explain everything. Be prepared to keep the stocks long term. If you only intend to hold on to the stocks for a short amount of time, be prepared for a lot of volatility. The market is extremely difficult to predict in the short term, and you may end up selling the stocks at the wrong time. Holding on to them for the long term is the best way to ensure a profit. Ensure that your children have a good sense of understanding regarding finances and investments from a young age. The earlier that they are taught about financial responsibility and what can be achieved with hard work, the better off they will be in the long run, as they age. You can even involve them a little, as you buy and sell your investments, by explaining why you are making these choices. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. With all that you learned, you should now have a better idea of what it takes to invest. You've learned investing basics, and you've learned why you should keep these basics in mind. While youth has many advantages, foresight is a hard thing for young people to grasp. Now that you've got the knowledge, why don't you use it to your advantage? Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.